fully one state. Fully one state. They could never bully one state. Check my post in my vlog. One state. The licensed entity. G State Records is my label. Government Empire State is the corporation. Don't play with my thing. I don't know who a fool or no. Trust me. Any look friend, what do you think we're gonna have? We know two look man around the corner around this one. I like them I tell them can't violate me. Nobody at all. I tell you no. And I am not immortal. I bleed the same blood I wanna bleed too. Believe me man. Trust me. Fully one state. We could never bully. We're not too bad mind. We create this, my logo, my own brand, my entity. We have countless people can sign petition. And we serve a ticket fee too. You see it? I Canada over there. Blue Jay, Service Ontario. My lawyer ready for talk for me. So no stop bad mind and call people and I talk about me. I use people thing. And my thing. No one self you. You see it? And I get up every day and I'm